Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to check Facebook login history. Step number 1, click the More in the bottom left, then click Settings. Tap Account Center, then tap Password and Security. Tap where you logged in to view your recent login activity for accounts in this Account Center. To log out of devices you've currently logged into, tap one of the accounts, then scroll down and tap Select Devices to log out. Select the devices you'd like to log out, then tap Log Out. Not everyone will be able to access this setting in Account Center at this time. If these steps don't work for you, then try this. Click the More in the bottom left, then click Settings. Click Login Activity from the left menu. If you recognize the login, click This Was Me, then Confirm. If you don't recognize the location or device listed, click This Wasn't Me, and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password and secure your account. To log out of devices you've currently logged into, click More to the right of the login, then click Log Out. That's it. Thanks for watching.